We are at the Nürburgring for our new record attempt. This year we've got better aero, a little bit less weight, a little bit more power, a little bit more RPM. When we were first here, we were outsiders. It wasn't terribly welcoming. When we got the 652, they were excited. Like, you saw them get behind us. Like, these aren't, the Americans just aren't here to run their car around and see what they can do. They knew we were taking it serious, and they started to respect it. And then last Tuesday, when we were like sitting at the end, the marshals coming off of the track in their cars, like, that was awesome. Like, I think they're behind us here. At least the country is. Who knows if the competitors are? But we even had one of the drivers for one of the other brands who holds records here. He came by and high-fived Dirk last spring. Like, they respect what we did. We've definitely focused on the track elements of the car. We've now got to do some of the street side. Before, we did the street side first, and then we came here and focused on the track. We're doing it the other way around this time, so there's work to do there. We'll have some track validation to do, track manners, stuff like that.
So the vehicle that we're running today demonstrates continuous aero advancements versus what we ran back in 25. The vehicle today is also going to have engine enhancements as well, getting better performance, higher revving, more power. So it's just taking everything that we did before on the Mustang, turning it up a notch, turning it up to 11. With these vehicles right now, what we've been able to do is just the more time we spend on the track, the more the team gels, the more the team develops. What's been happening is just it improves our overall effectiveness, and just we're able to translate that to the track. It's the tire pressure setup, it's little tunables with the aero, every little thing that we can do with the vehicle just to make it go that much faster when it actually gets out into the track. And Dirk is phenomenal. I mean, the dedication part of the development and then executing all of his knowledge on every single test track that we've been on here, Nürburgring, specifically, right? The more time he gets on the track in the vehicle, he knows every nuance of the vehicle. He's just able to push it that much harder and go that much faster.